part 2 of making some slime. This is, I think, gonna be three parts, so one more part after this, or maybe just 2 parts. This might be the last part, or maybe an extra one coming up, because we're gonna add something. And guys, shimmer and shine. Oh, look at the slime. I can't lift it up right now because this is my head, so like, if I could do it. Shimmer and shine. Yeah, shine. Oh, she might have pink hair, I don't know. Wait, does she? Here's shimmer. I think this is shimmer and that's shine. No, that's shine, that's shimmer, right? I can't tell. Shimmer and shine. Oh, two friends of mine, I think. Oh, do you have any water? Yeah, here you go. I said water, not slime, and plus water isn't even blue. Like in cartoons, water is blue, kind of a thing. But in real life, it's like grayishy. There we go. Forgot I didn't pause my movie. I go up there, movie on season 99. Just kidding. Well, I didn't pause it because I forgot, but it's, I think, 1 season? 2 seasons? 2 seasons, I think. And I don't know how many episodes, so yeah. How many episodes are there in a season? Like 10? 5? I think 5. No, 10 or 7. I don't know, guys. I think 10. Yeah, 10. I think that should be good. Guys, I need to get the activator. I don't know how I do it. Ew! The way to turn the activator into blue slime. Why do I think that touch? Just kidding. Well, I don't know. I don't fix anything I touch. I break everything I touch. Bob the Builder, can he fix it? No, he cannot. Bob the Builder, can he fix it? No. When I was little, I don't know if it was a song or if like a cartoon or if it was just me like making up a song. Bob the Builder, can he fix it? Bob the Builder, can he fix it? And I just over repeated it, going around my room going, Bob the Builder, can he fix it? In America, in my childhood. Wait, is this my childhood right now? Because I'm 10. I don't know. Three, two, one. Oh my god, look at that. That is so weird. Like, why? Can't tell if that's a storm because the sky's getting a little grayish. Or if that's just an airplane. Oh, there's the decorations. I'm not adding those ones though. Guys, I need help immediately. I need activator, but my hands cannot agree with me right now. Don't know if that makes sense or not. Why is that satisfying though? Right. Anyway, when I was playing Family, like a month ago, I think. No, not a month. Like, I'd say like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago. Like, we were playing Family, me and like in school, outside on the field. Me with some Year 3s and 4s, I think. And we were playing Family and Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2, basically. So 8-year-olds, I mean 9-year-olds to 6-year-olds, we were playing family, but animal family basically. So basically it's like a family but you're an animal. And I chose to be a wolf. And then you guys wouldn't believe what I said. I'm not trying to be weird, but I said rawr. Like in my sassy voice, like I sounded like rawr. Or like rawr. Rawr or rawr. That was not funny at all. Just kidding. It was funny. That was so hilarious, right? Oh my god, can I get the slime up? Just realized I was being so weird. I got dirty right when I was clapping my hands like So apparently, if you talk about someone for like a minute, that means you like them. In my friend group, apparently. Like, what? Wait, does that mean I like really the whole school? Oh, hell no, sister. Or brother, whatever. And I'm the oldest class in the school. Because there's 6 years and I'm in year 6. I don't like little children. I don't go for younger kids. I go for like older kids. Boys. Or, I don't know, guys. Don't be weird. Guys, who's back? Just kidding. Oh my god. I'm surprised this doesn't stain me. How does slime not stain my hands, but gum stains my tongue? What? I had blue bubble gum like last week, I think. Wait, what was the last one? Today's Friday, right? Or Saturday? Saturday or Sunday or Sunday? Saturday or Sunday or Saturday, Sunday? Sunday or Saturday? Sunday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday? I don't know. What do you do when you guzzle down sweets? I know, probably whether MF, I think I'm gonna say. Probably MF, diabetes. What do you get when you guzzle down sweets? Probably mother diabetes. What's diabetes? Is it like diarrhea? Or diabetes? Does that mean like you die? Or what? Wait, haven't everyone in the world at least has, besides babies, hasn't any, like, nearly half the world ever, like, guzzled down sweets? What does guzzle mean? I don't know, guys. I'm older than one of my friends because she's in year 4. And, yeah. But we don't, like, I've never met her before, but I think so. I don't know. Apparently she saw me in a shop. Guys, I think I overactivated the slime. What do I do? What do I do? Should we like try and melt it down? Or should we just deal with it? Melt it down, then activate it to give it a second chance. Or do we... Oh, gosh. No, I think we overactivated it, guys. No. No. Not to me. No. Well, brother, you can have this. And then he'll try to fix it, I bet. So this is what the side looks like right now. Oh my god. What do you get when you guzzle down sweets? I don't know, probably mother diabetes. Oh. Yeah, get the extra. I don't know, where does that sound? Yeah. Oh. I don't know if you can see, but that is definitely overactivated. Like, look, try to stretch it. Can I go slow? Go slow. Go Going slow. Going slow. Like, if you're slime pro, then, like, someone who makes slime 24/7, is this overactivated? It's already stretched. Look at that tail. So that doesn't work, but this does, so I want to give this a whole new texture, but I don't know how. What do you get with without sweets? I don't know, maybe mother diabetes. My dad put some hot dogs in the microwave. What in the world is that? Bro. Oh. Sorry about that. I was laughing at my dad because he burned his hand while trying to get the hot dog out in the microwave. That's karma for bullying me. So the purple one's winning so far. Let's try and help the blue. Oh, there we go. Okay, why does this look a little weird? Like, this kind of disgusts me. What do you get when you go without sweets? I don't know, maybe mother diabetes. Come out! Come out or else you're dumb. Yeah. Guess you're finished. Bye-bye. What do you get when you go without sweets? I don't know, maybe mother diabetes. Okay, why am I obsessed with that song though? Like, purple one's finished, I think. There's a lot more in, but I can't get it all out because I don't know why. Why? Oh my god, is that an accent? This slime was so beautiful. I wasted all of it just for this useless jiggly slime. Like, listen. That doesn't happen when I do it to the purple. Like, listen. This is the purple one. See, there's obviously slime here. Listen. Bro, I can't. So this one is a complete fail. Just kidding. I wasted all of that slime just for it to be overactivated. That is just crazy. Hey, show my mom. Hey, yo, what are you doing? Brother's on the phone with my classmate. My brother's in high school, but I'm still in primary school, but he is friends with a boy that's in my class. Like, my brother doesn't even go to the same school anymore. He's in high school. I don't know why he's friends with him. Still. Sure, what is he even doing? I don't know why he's actually friends with him. I'm not saying which friend, because he might see this video and get very mad at me. But I don't really care, so. WOMP times 2. What'd you get? Wait, what? I'm doing it wrong now. Can't even spell womp womp. Because it's like when you say it like womp womp, it's kind of fast when you like try and say it, like spell the word, you know. I think y'all know. I don't know. Don't know. Ew, no, I'm not using that. Get it out. What do you get when you go to the what's this blue one type to make? Let's find out. It stays purple. Because we hardly even added any blue. What do you get when you guzzle down space? I don't know. Maybe motherfucking diabetes. Did I just say the F word? Or the M word? Mother diabetes. Is that a little bit? Little bit. Oh my god, the glue's taking years! If y'all want to skip, then y'all can skip. Like, skip the video a little until it comes out. Or maybe if I was, maybe if I'm going to let it come out. If it doesn't come out in the next 10 seconds, I'm going to put it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Wait, do I? Okay, 4, 3. Oh, 3. Who goes with 3? 2. 2, 2, 2. 2? Yeah, 2. Why am I being dumb? Get that off me first. 1. Wait, it's coming out. It's coming out, kind of. If y'all can see closely. Why is there sound in my videos? Like, what do you get when you guzzle down sweets? I don't know. My mother diabetes. It's coming out. It's sharding a little. Can't tell if that's an airplane or a helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter, da, da. Guys, so look. See, the middle finger is the tallest out of all. So then, why does the pinky finger stretch the most? Like, look. Middle finger can't even get to the side. Pinky finger can get to the side. Just like, what? Help me with my hand. Like, ooh. Too much, too much, too much. Move your body around. Yeah. I swear to God, I'm gonna. Oh my God. Oh, it's making like this. I don't know if y'all can see, but that's beauty. It's like galaxy color. Is that green? Is that blue making green? I want neon slime, or slime that if you touch it, it reacts to heat. Sorry, I just have to. Hey, don't, no. I don't. It's illegal to be looking at my feet, y'all. Even though I'm showing it to the camera. Still. I need my feet to rest. Like, I'm tired of putting my knee on it. Not knee. Huh. Nani? Nani? Is that? It sounds like no honey or on knee. My foot's on knee. On my knee. My foot is on my. Oh my God. What do you get when you guzzle down sweets? I don't know, baby mother. Diabetes. What do you get when you guzzle down sweets? Wait, that's like a lilac on camera. Well, I don't know if it's a lilac, but this blue looks like blue. Yeah, I think that's the best word to use. Blue and blue. That is the best words I've ever used in my world. My world? No, I didn't make the world. Well, I made my personality, basically. Well, I don't know if my mother, dad, great-grandma, all the way back to 1 BC, which is like over probably 1,000 years It's like a lilac. Ooh, ooh. Bro, it takes like nearly the whole bottle just to activate this little tiny slime. Don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. Yeah, the whole activated bottle is now empty. 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 Guys, you're saying it wrong when you do that thing like empty, erase. Empty, erase. Empty. Because you guys are saying like the E, like empty. Then you erase the E, then you guys are still saying empty. It's meant to be like empty. But y'all still include the E at the front. Like what? Empty, 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 empty. I don't care about that trend anymore. It's stupid, like my brain. I mean, not brain. Why do I say everything that? Wait, what? What? No, what am I even saying, bro? I'm making up random words, so if this actually is a word, but it's like rude, I'm sorry. I can't believe it. Like I'm trying to do the accent of Indian people, like oh, something like that. I don't know, but I really want to learn Indian languages. Wait, do they have a language or I don't know. I think my friend is. No, she isn't. I don't know. Guys, I don't know the difference. Sorry. I think my ex-friend, aka my ex-neighbor, soon she's gonna be. Anyways, my ex-best friend, aka my neighbor, she still is my neighbor, guys. She's like, cross my road, then go one house down, then you'll see. Like she shares her a house, like you know those houses are connected, the walls connected, kind of like. My friend, like ex-best friend, apparently she's too old to play with her. When I'm hanging out with kids younger than her, like she's 7 or 6, I'm hanging out with 4-year-olds. And apparently I'm not older than them. Like I'm not too old to play with them. So I don't know what's her problem. Well, it's about her mom saying that. So yeah. Is blue turning? This is like a bluishy. Bluey, I have a slime for you. Bluey, oh. Ooh, look at that. I think I overactivated it again. Guys, I think I'm gonna get a world record of overactivating everything now. Guys, this is overactivated definitely. Look at that, like, ew. I'm trying to like roll into a ball and then I can like make it stretchy enough to play. That was a big fail. Big fat fail. But we do have this slime that's also overactivated. God, I hate slimes. Uh-oh. There we go. This slime's not really stretching anymore. I think it's just because it's cold. Or if it's like also overactivated. Guys, I'm never making slime ever again. So, like, I always overactivate it. Like, there's not much of a point buying slime when it's overactivated. I wonder where my mom is. because I saw her leave the house, but I don't know if she left or if she's just sitting in the car with a client. Oh yeah, she did say she has a client. So, I don't know if y'all can see, but that's where it landed. Oh, no. Get up. Oh my god. Oh shit. Tiny droplets left. Oh, okay. I'll do it that way. There we go. We got it stretched back, kind of. I think. Look how many slimes are glue left in that. Guys, I gotta go to the bathroom. Let's just take everything off real quick. Haven't gone to the bathroom in a few hours now, so bye.